Apache Pulsar is a messaging and streaming platform originally developed at Yahoo, but now under the stewardship of the Apache Foundation. And as of 24.1, CockroachDB can now deliver messages via CDC to Apache Pulsar, a feature that, as at the time of filming, is currently in preview for you to play with. In this demo, we'll connect and see messages flowing from CockroachDB into Apache Pulsar. I'll spin up a standalone Pulsar image, a CockroachDB demo cluster. I'll create an orders table and a change feed using CDC queries. This will send messages to my local standalone Pulsar container. I'll use the Pulsar client over here to consume messages. So any messages that CockroachDB publishes, I'll see over here. I'll insert 3 new orders. We can see that those orders have arrived in Pulsar. I'll make an update to one of those orders with the new value that I've set visible in Pulsar, and I'll delete an order. As with the other CDC syncs, Pulsar is really easy to get started with, and we'll link you to the documentation so that you can have a play with it yourself.